All right, in this video, we're going to talk about adding blocks. To do this, we're going to be using the layout builder. So I created a simple page here, it's just a basic page, titled it Adding Blocks. So we're going to click on Layout, and now we're in Layout Builder. So by default, it should come up like this. This will be your title. We can add another block here. Below it in section 3, we have the placeholder for the body field and a placeholder for the main navigation by default. This section is 2 columns, split 75% to 25%. And if we wanted to add a block here, we would just simply click Add Block. And right here, these are all the blocks that are readily available in the website. So there's a long list here, but let's say you want to add something new. So we can create a custom block. The differences are these blocks can be accessed anywhere on the site by any page. When you say create custom block, only this page will access that block. So we click Add Block, and these are all the different blocks that are available on the site. So right now, we'll just start off with a banner block. We're not going to go through each and every one of these blocks. Some of these are going to be pretty self-explanatory. Some of these are kind of a combination of 2 different blocks. But a banner block is going to be just what it is. It's going to be a banner image. The title here is what it's going to be named on this page. So we'll call that Adding Blocks banner, just so I know what it is later. I can leave this title empty. So this title will be displayed on the banner itself. So the description text will be overlaid on the image. If I want to give this a link, I can, and the link text. So this will automatically create a button, put it on the banner image. So let's do that. And the most important part, the image. So we'll go ahead and add an image. And what I can do is I can check to add an image overlay. What this will do will darken the image up. That way the text will stand out a little bit more, depending on how light or dark your image is. And you can also change the text color. And what will happen is it'll add the background image, add the title, because I said show the title, and the text, the description text will be overlaid on the image, and add the button. So let's go ahead and save this. Click Save Layout, and there's the image. To edit the block, we'll go back to Layout, back down to our block, click on the pencil, and click on Configure. Let's turn off the display title, and the title now goes away. So in this 25% region, we'll add a new block. We'll say again, create custom block, and we'll say basic block. Basic block is just a WYSIWYG. So you have the text format down here. You can switch to full HTML, and you can just pop in some text that you need. So we can just get some text in here. We'll say add block. We'll say the layout, and now it adds this block in. What you don't want to do from this page is click the pencil and click on edit. It'll take you to that block. It'll let you edit the block, but it kind of breaks the editing functionality of that page. Just going to back out of this. You always want to go to layouts. What'll happen is if you go to layout and you try to go back into that block to do it the proper way, it won't work anymore. So it just creates some confusion. Some pages will work properly and you can edit them. Others will not. So let's go back into layouts. We'll add a section. I'm going to say bootstrap 1 column. Leave that all default. A new section will come in. We can add a block. It's going to be a 1 column block. We'll create a custom block. And we're going to say text with image. So we can just add an image by itself. We can use basic block to add text. But the text with image will let us add both at the same time. We'll add our lorem ipsum in here. Again, text formatting. This is going to be everywhere you can add text in the WYSIWYG. You can change it between basic and full. And then you can add the media. We'll insert the image. Add the block. The image will come in, and then the text. Let's add another section. Again, we'll do a bootstrap 1 column. We'll add this section in. Create custom block. And we want to add a card set. So what this will do, we'll add a set of cards. depending on how many columns you want, 2, 3, or 4. Let's go 3. We'll add card 1, add an image. In the card set, you can add a URL, you can add a link text, so it'll create the button automatically for you. Again, you got a WYSIWYG, and we'll say add card. And I'm just going to do this here for card 2 and card 3. So once I have all the information in, I'll say add block. And what this does is add 3 cards, adds the images, the titles, and anything in the WYSIWYG. Go back and click on configure here. You have a card type, you have default. Default is the basic card. And then you have an image action card. So the image action card kind of stylizes this a little different. The image is actually bigger. And then you have a button here. So let's save this. And the page is starting to get built out. So we'll add another block. We'll take a look at the accordion. The accordion will open and close. Give it the heading. Click add accordion. We'll add a second one. So the heading will be the title here. Click the plus sign. Opens up. Shows you the information. So let's add another section. We'll make it 2 columns. We'll split it 50-50 on desktop and tablet and 100% on mobile. We're going to add a block, create custom block. Let's use a video block. We'll click add media. So we can add remote video via URL. We'll just paste that in. I wouldn't recommend uploading videos to the website. The sites are not really designed for streaming. Short video probably could get away with it, but anything longer than a minute, best to put it up on either YouTube or Vimeo. So we'll add the video link, click save, insert it, click add block, and it'll pull that video directly into the page. So it's just linking the video from YouTube to the page. You click on play, it'll play the video. So we'll add another block, create custom block. Let's say Google Map. And we can put the location in. And save layout. So we have our banner, we have our basic block here, which is just text, image with text block, our card block, our accordion, Google Map, and then a video block. Our accordions will open and close. We click on play, and then we have a map. So this is, a quick overview of using the custom blocks, what you can do with them, how to set them up, kind of how to use them with Layout Builder. It lets you design a page that's functional and interactive, and then it's easier to look at than just a wall of text on your website.